Hello friends, this is Raj Sasi from Raj Option Trading. Today is October 11, 2021. Let's look at TTM Squeeze indicator by John Carter and see what stocks are good to buy right now and what options are good to buy. So with that, let's quickly look at a general stock market update and take it from there. So as you look through here, thinkorswim platform here, we got S&P 500 futures. Looks like today is going to be a down day. As you can see here, we got a down candle here, a red candle that indicates we'll have a little bit down day here. Not a drastically down day, as you can see here, a little bit down. So we'll see how it goes. And as you look through here, Nasdaq 100, again a down day here. Both as you can see here, Friday was a down day. Monday is a down day, so kind of it's giving some back here. It had a nice great couple days here. Now it's giving a little bit back here. And then as you look through here, Dow Jones Industrial Average, same story, little bit down day, second down day here. And Russell 2000 small cap stocks, again a little bit down day again here. So with that, let's look at bond market here, see what bond market are telling us. So as you look through bond here, bonds are also going down. As you can see here, we got third consecutive down day in the bond market. But as you look through the interest rate here, let's quickly look through what's going on in the interest rate. Interest rate is going higher, so this is going to put some pressure on the market. So as inflation goes higher, Fed may be forced to increase the interest rate. That's why stock market is not taking it nicely. So that's why market is kind of showing a down opening today. And then as you look through crude oil is a rocket ship here, again going higher. Right now it's 82, as you can see here. So we got to be careful here. Let's not buy crude oil at the top here. Let's wait for it to cool down a little bit. And gold, as you can scan through here, safe haven, supposed to be safe haven, a little bit on the negative territory. At this point, I'm comfortable buying some gold here and take it from there. And now let's go in and look at the TTM Squeeze indicator and see what we can buy at these levels. So with that, we will look at TTM Squeeze, what stocks we can buy, what call or call options we can buy, and few swing trading opportunities. So with that, this is a quick cheat sheet. I will let you read through in detail. So as usual, we look at dots forming here. As you see the dots forming, if the long-term C wave, which is indicated right here, if that's above 0, then it's a sign for you to buy and go bullish. But if as the dot is forming, if the longer term C wave is below 0 here, then it is a sign for you to really short if you want to, or buy some put option and go from there. So with that, let's jump in, look at few stocks and see what we can buy. So as you can scan through here, we got list of stocks starting from AMC here. As you scan through, we got a weekly squeeze in AMC, and AMC has been down for a little bit. As you can see here, 1 day, 5 day, 10 day, 1 month, it's down. So that's why it's we can look and see if AMC is worth buying here. And the way this chart is organized is we got your stock, market cap, and as you can see here, what insiders are doing, what institutions are doing, how is the sales growth. I love the company with the nice sales growth here. And also we got performance and the short squeeze indicator by John Carter. Do you have a short squeeze or a TTM squeeze in 1 day, 3 day, weekly or monthly? So that's how the chart is organized. And for you swing traders, you can also look at short ratio here and see if it's a high short ratio, in which case you can do some swing trading. So first let's look at AMC quickly and see if it's worth buying here. Let me jump back into thinkorswim here and bring up a chart here, and let's go here quickly. So AMC, as you scan through here, nice looking chart. Right now, IV percentile is low, RSI is also a little bit lower. And as you scan through here, on the balance volume is steady. That tells you folks are buying here. There is more buying pressure than selling pressure. Check-in money flow is indicating a little bit negative flow here. So, I think we'll go with the volume, on the balance volume at this time. And as you can see here, stock is generally turn bullish here. The red line wants to go down, blue line wants to go up. So with that, let's jump in here and go to TTM Squeeze by John Carter, and see what we can make out. So let's go here. There you go. This is my squeeze indicator here. So as you look through here, let's put AMC. That's our stock. So as you scan through here, we got a weekly squeeze, as we talked about, right there. When the squeeze is happening, shorter term, A wave is below zero, but longer term, C wave is above zero. So according to John Carter, this is a good trade here. We could initiate a buy position here. So if you want to buy stock outright, you could do that. So we can go here. Let me remove this here, go to option chain. So AMC, as you can scan through here, we could buy AMC outright. Right now, $37 stock. All-time high was 72 in last 52 weeks. So we could go here, probably go delta 70 or so. As you can see here, we got delta shown here. So I could go to delta 69 or 71. I will go with 71 here. I could just buy this call option outright by paying $11. If the stock goes higher, I will make some money. Break even point is 43, which is a couple dollars above the current stock price. This is one way to play. So for this to make money, you want AMC to go above 43.20 by 21st of January. If you don't want to commit that type of money or a little more conservative, you could go with the spread here. So if you want to do spread, stock being at 37, you could do 30-40 spread. So as you can see here, we got 30 right here. You could do 30-40. There you go. So if you do 30-40 spread, it's a $10 wide spread. You're paying $4. Remaining $6 of this $10 spread is your profit potential. If you confirm and send this year, you're paying $400 to make $600. I think this is a good risk reward ratio. You could confirm and send. Your max profit is 600. Your break-even point is 34, which is below the current stock price. A little more conservative play. You could confirm and send this and go from there. And let's go back here to TTM Squeeze here. As you look through the chart here, AMC has got a nice sales growth and net margin is negative, gross margin is positive. So you could play conservatively. Probably a spread is a better idea. We got few more here: Comcast, Ship, IDEX, and so on and so forth. Couple of these are low dollar stocks like HIVE blockchain as an example. You could buy the stock outright, being a $2 stock here. Whenever stock is low dollar, you can buy stock outright and participate that way. And as you scan through, one of my favorite here, PAGS. I know many of you ask me, hey, so it is PAS here, Pan American. It's a silver stock here. And as you scan through, we got few more. Elastic is one of my favorite stock here. I love trading this company. It's a high growth stock. Let's go and see how is Elastic here. So as you look through Elastic here, let's go to a chart here. As you scan through here, we got a squeeze forming in a 2-day chart. When the squeeze is happening, we got your longer term C wave above zero. That tells you coast is clear. You could buy some Elastic here and go from there. And let's go to a different chart here. Quickly look at how is Elastic. So as you scan through here, elastic, it's becoming bullish right now. As you can see here, on the balance volume is racing, and check-in money flow is indicating smart money is flowing into the stock. You could take advantage of this situation, and you could buy some call option. So elastic at 155. All-time high in 52 weeks is 176. You could go in here and buy some call option delta 70 or so. You have to pay $24 here. For you to make money here, elastic has to go above 164 by January 21. This is one way to play. Different way if you want to do spreads is stock being at 155, we could do 150 160 spread here and confirm and send. There you go, 150 160. So if you go with this spread here, you're paying 545. So remaining portion of the $10 spread, which is around $4.55 is your profit potential. You're paying 545 to make 445. Your break-even point is 155, which is just above the current stock price. This is another way to play, a little more conservative. You're not putting too much money into risk. So with that, let's look at one or two more and take it from there. So you got all the stocks here. You could go with any of these stocks. Just made sure the RSI itself is low here, so that way you get in a better price here. Let's go into next slide here. We got few more here. We got Ammo, Neo, Smartsheet, and Vonage. And as you look through here, Smartsheet, I'm trying to see here. Low RSI, low IV percentile, that's a good candidate here. There is a monthly squeeze here, that could be a good one. Let's quickly look at Smartsheet here. So as you look through Smartsheet here, let's go to the chart here. Stock is right now on the balance volume is nice here, nice and steady. Stock is in a down tick right now. Smart money is flowing out. Let's look through a TTM squeeze here. From a squeeze perspective, a monthly squeeze, when that's happening, look here on the balance, a longer term C wave is above 0. That tells you coast is clear. You could buy some call option, or you could buy stock outright and go from there. So with that, let's jump in here, go to option chain, Smartsheet. You could go January, or you could even go beyond. Let's go to delta 70, 68 is good enough. You could send this $9.20. You could confirm and send, and you'll make infinite profit. If it goes up, your break even is 69, which is just above current price. You could also do a spread here if you don't want to spend a little more money. You could do 50, 60, 70 spread here. That will have a little bit better cost structure here. You could buy vertical 60, 70 here. There you go. So as you can scan through here, you're paying 485 to make 555. More than doubling your money, and break-even point is 64, just below the current stock price. You could confirm and send this and take it from there. So with that, this is a list of stocks for you for the squeeze, TTM squeeze fans here, and you could go from there. With that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.